Whose are these hands? They are not mine. They have not stood the test of time. They have no right being on display. Whose are these hands? Take them away. Whose are these eyes that glare and squint, that see as far as my intent, that magnify my vanity? Whose are these eyes that will not see? Whose are these feet that limp and groan, no longer choose the swift way home, no longer fly down carefree street? They are not mine. Come claim these feet. Whose are these candles burning bright, a celebration of the night, when I appeared all twist and scream, to be accepted sight unseen? Whose is this mind of cheap distrust, this sad defensive cut and thrust? It's not the way I'm meant to be. Whose is this mind, Lord, set it free? Whose is this face? It's all my fault. Too many shots of single malt, too many lines of free cocaine. Whose is this sea of broken veins? Whose are these candles burning bright, a celebration of the night, when I appeared all twist and scream, to be accepted sight unseen? Whose are these ties I never see, that temper my ability, that feed upon my urge to run? Whose are these ties that came undone? Whose is this voice I strain to hear, so distant yet so crystal clear? I wish to God I'd let it be, and just accept things sight unseen, sight unseen.